Data science is the latest big buzzword in analytics. Now that big data has moved out of the spotlight and people realize that just having terabytes or petabytes of data is not enough, data science attempts to bring more structure and form to the vast amounts of real-time data that are now available to decision makers. But how does that play out in reality? Usually by developing massive databases and producing an endless series of dashboards and spreadsheets. Sure, those are great and necessary in maintaining a pulse on your progress, but they all share one thing in common. They only look backward. So unless your company is constantly going in reverse, you need to go deeper than just staring in the rearview mirror all day. Too many companies are data rich and information poor. The real magic comes from realizing that all those numbers ultimately represent people and actions taken by people. To move from just data infrastructure to true insight, you need to do more than just to understand the current environment. The next phase has to be understanding the root cause of those behaviors. And I'm sorry, but to understand the science of behavior, you need to include the perspective of behavioral scientists, not just software engineers. You need both. Once you apply these different perspectives and the root causes are understood, then the real value comes from being able to leverage those underlying relationships to predict the future under different scenarios and do so in a way where you can change the trajectory from the path you're currently headed down. I'm a big fan of big data and an even bigger fan of data science. But the real goal here is not more data or more dashboards or more spreadsheets. It's information and ultimately insight to drive organizational success.
Thank you for watching this week's video. I invite you to come back every Thursday for a new video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at enpinstitute.com.